Hey everyone, welcome back to the Math Bench. I'm super glad that you're here. This week, from August 25th through the 30th, our focus will be building stronger number sense and applying strategies that help us with bigger addition and subtraction problems. I'll walk you through what your child will be learning in class, and I'll share a few easy ways that you can practice at home. First, we'll use a make a 10 move to add fast. For 9 plus 6, we can slide 1 to build 10 plus 5 equals 15. Same total, just friendlier numbers. 10 frames and number bonds help us see we didn't change the amount, we just rearranged it. At home, they can practice by playing a race to 10. Call 8 plus 7, 9 plus 5, 6 plus 9. Your child says how many they need to get to 10 and then finishes the sum. Use 10 pennies or a 10 frame so they physically move 1 to complete a 10. Aim for about 6 to 8 problems in about 2 minutes. Next, we make a 10 to add but within 100. We scale the same idea to 2-digit numbers by bridging to the next 10. For 48 plus 7, think 48 needs 2 more to become 50, then add the remaining 5 to get 55. This keeps 10s with 10s and 1s with 1s. At home, you can play Bridge Builder where you come up with questions like 27 plus 6, 58 plus 9, and 79 plus 4, and the job for your child is to name the bridge, how many more they need to finish the sum. You can even make it more interactive where you can switch roles and they get to quiz you. Next, we subtract from multiples of 10 within 100. We are going to be dealing with decade numbers like 40, 50, 60, and 70. When we subtract from clean decades like 60 minus 8, by regrouping 110 into 10 ones, then taking away the ones, we keep 1s with 1s and 10s with 10s so place value stays clear. Coins can also make this super visible. At home, you can practice by using dimes and pennies. For example, use 6 dimes for 60 and trade 1 dime for 10 pennies. Then remove 8 pennies and count what's left, should be 52. You can also try 40 minus 7, 70 minus 9, 90 minus 6, and complete them the same way. For clarification, you can ask your child to explain each step out loud. Our next lesson, we can take from 10 within 20. For teen numbers like 13 minus 8, we can take from 10. You are going to be utilizing 10 for each number. For instance, 10 plus 3 equals 13. That relates to our first number. For the second number 8, we can do 10 minus 8 and we can get 2. The difference of 10 plus 3 to 13 is 3. The difference between 10 minus 8 is 2. You can get the 3 and the 2, add them together to get 5, and thus you can get 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. I also suggest and highly recommend doing it the traditional way and learning how to regroup to make it faster and easier. At home, I highly recommend the students learn through repetition where they're able to do multiple problems like 14 minus 6, 16 minus 9, and 12 minus 5 to learn how to take from 10 within 20 and to learn how to properly regroup. For the last lesson of the week, we are going to be taking 10 within 100. It is going to be the same as the day prior, however, larger numbers. We are going to take from 10 or 2-digit numbers like 63 minus 8 and decompose 110 so 63 can turn into 50 plus 13, and then we can subtract 13 minus 8 to get 5. Then recombine 50 plus 5 to get 55. This is the same as thinking as the standard regrouping algorithm. At home, you can use a 10s and 1s chart to practice, and if you want reference problems, you can also try 52 minus 7, 63 minus 9, and 81 minus 5. You can check by adding the answer plus the subtracted number to see if you return to the start. With that being said, that is your sneak peek for the week. Remember, a few minutes a night goes a long way. If something felt tricky, drop a question in the comments and I'll help you out. Make sure you come to class ready to show how to make a 10, bridge to a decade number, and take from 10. Remember, you've got this. If the video helped, tap like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss next week's preview. See you on the Math Bench, where practice makes powerful mathematicians. Have a great rest of your weekend.